If you like to spend time outdoors, then you know the importance of quality time with friends and loved ones, and it doesn't get more enjoyable than camping. It is one of the best ways to get connected with nature and recharge your soul. But do you ever consider taking your camping trips to the next level? Don't worry, we've got all you need. With the latest camping gadgets and technology, you can now experience the great outdoors like never before. From solar-powered cookers to smart tents that can connect to Wi-Fi, discover the ultimate must-have camping gear for a truly remarkable outdoor experience. So, pack your bags, grab your gear, and get ready to explore the wilderness on a whole new level. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Katadyn Gravity Be Free. The Katadyn Be Free Gravity 10-liter filtration system is a sleek, foldable design that relies on gravity to provide you with the purest, finest water. The Easy Clean membrane is the heart of the Be Free Gravity 10-liter, providing a rapid flow rate of up to 2 liters per minute. To get rid of harmful microorganisms, bacteria, and cysts, the water goes through a 0.1 micron-sized whole hollow fiber filter. An observation window showing the current water level makes it easy to know when to replenish. The handy carrying strap makes it easy to transport a full filter back to camp, where it may be hung from a nearby tree. To avoid coming into touch with dirty water when refueling, a quick-release valve with an automatic flow stop makes it easy to detach the hose that carries the water out. Depending on the quality of the water, the filter may hold up to 1,000 liters. The Easy Clean membrane may be cleaned on the go or at home by shaking or swishing it with water. Number 2. BN50X Rescue Backpacks. This pack was made by a Swedish firm with the goal of providing hikers with high-quality, reasonably priced gear. It's constructed out of 900D polyester, which is both durable and waterproof. You may choose between 2 different variations and can hold 9 and 14.5 gallons of liquid, respectively. The backpack's aluminum S-frame is one of its many ingenious features. It's cozy indeed, but it also helps keep the air flowing freely because of cleverly placed channels. Breathable mesh is used for the straps and back of this item. Your goods may be secured using the harnesses that come with the backpack. The next generation of expedition backpacks is here, and it's searchable, sturdy, and packed with features you'll find useful on your travels. Number 3. SpaceX Air Camper. There has never been an easier way to enjoy the great outdoors in style. Automated opening, automatic stabilization, and automatic inflation make this SpaceX Air the first of its kind in Australia. The trailer is impressive in its many automatic features. Not only does it self-unfold, but it can also self-stabilize. When extended, it has enough space for 4 adults and 2 kids to sleep, with a kitchen and other conveniences. Kitchen amenities include 3 cooking surfaces, a DVD player, and a 5.3-gallon mini-fridge. The maximum allowable weight for the trailer is 1,430 pounds. The fact that it can traverse rough terrain is a surprise. It's finally time for you to have it all. If you're looking for a camper that won't break the bank, look no further than the SpaceX Air. It has all the comforts of a home away from home. Number 4. Giga Pump 2. Despite its portability, this hand pump is a powerful tool. It can be held in the palm of your hand and its weight is just 3 ounces. Yet it serves 3 distinct purposes: inflation, vacuum sealing, and illumination. The device can generate up to 3.5 kilopascals of pressure, making it possible to inflate an airbed in under a minute. Having the option to use vacuum packing is undoubtedly useful too. All of your nighttime necessities, plus roughly 20 big bags, may be vacuum packed with a single charge. The built-in flashlight may be adjusted from 40 to 400 lumens, and the official operating time stated by the manufacturer is 10 hours. The pump's resistance to water is another major benefit it offers. The lithium-ion battery provides 1,300 mAh of power and charges rapidly through the use of Type-C connection. It's not only for camping though. It comes with 5 different nozzles, so you may use it in a variety of situations. Number 5. Gerber Breezescape Camp. The manufacturers of this equipment compare it to like packing a little kitchen on a camping trip. 2 knives, a knife sharpener, plus space for other small goods like condiments and napkins are concealed inside the lightweight case. The lid may be used as a cutting surface that measures 10 inches by 8 inches. The knives are magnetized and housed in separate compartments. The rubberized grips and stainless steel construction provide durability. The 2 lengths of the blades are 3 and 3.8 inches. Also, the polypropylene cutting board means that this set won't need as much maintenance as others. Number 6. Orange Solar Tent Concept. This tent was designed by Orange, one of the world's leading telecom companies. Solar panels are a defining aspect of the design. It was designed to do one thing, and that was to improve your experience at the world-famous Glastonbury Festival. The tent will assist you in charging your electronics and keeping in contact at all times, and owing to the floor's integrated heating system, you can rest well at night. And that's not even the best part. The creators of the idea have also thought about a common issue at festivals: the difficulty of locating one's tent. There are usually over 50,000 visitors, but thanks to location technology, you won't get lost in the sea of tents. Sending an SMS to your tent will make it glow elegantly, making it stand out among other tents. Okay, just checking in to see if you're enjoying the video. If so, press the like and subscribe buttons to make sure you don't miss any of the everyday technological related content we release. Number 7. Haven Safari. This innovation makes it possible to take a number of home conveniences into the great outdoors. They claim it combines the best features of a hammock and a tent, meaning you can get a good night's rest pretty much about any place. And it comes with a variety of hues to suit your taste. The 30 by 80 inch air mattress provides enough room for almost every sleeping posture. You can sleep lying down, sitting up, or sitting on the side. The tent's primary material is 300D polyester, and it can withstand weights of up to 350 pounds. The package has an umbrella to block the wind and a mosquito net to keep the bugs away, and it weighs about 12 pounds. Number 8. Queen Size Camper Concept Galleria 4x4. The design you see before you was developed by engineers in Germany, and it can accommodate a total of 4 people. Everything you could possibly want for a relaxing day in nature is included. Typically, one of the beds will be located up on the roof. A bathroom with a shower and a toilet, as well as a kitchenette with a sink and a 2-burner stove are also included. All of these new developments are, by the way, meticulously crafted. For example, the shower is designed to be used at any temperature, and some of the heat produced by the burner may be used to warm water. Number 9. Rinse Kit Pro Pack. Now, you could be wondering, what on earth is this thing on your screen? Well, you might be surprised that it's a compact shower. Yes, you may get both the cutting-edge Hyperheater instant hot water heater and the battery-powered 4.5-gallon Pro Pack in one convenient bundle. The Hyperheater, in combination with the Pro Pack, can bring water to a temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit in under 30 seconds, allowing you to have a hot shower wherever you happen to be. With the Hyperheater, you may enjoy a hot shower for up to 6 minutes regardless of whether you're camping, off the grid, or just about anywhere else thanks to the high capacity of the Pro Pack. Number 10. AdventureMate AM-V2. Introducing the bigger brother of the Swiss Army knife. AdventureMate is the best 5-in-1 multi-tool available. The 4.8-pound instrument may be used as an axe, saw, shovel, hammer, or hook. Each tool, such as the hammer and the hook, is designed for a specific task, such as setting up a tent. Axe is crafted from high-carbon steel. Because of its form, chopping up logs is a breeze. The saw's blade is designed to minimize jamming, and it has a well-honed cutting edge. Lastly, you may rest your feet on the shovel's design. The tool was manufactured in the US and comes in not 1, but 2 colors. Number 11. Arche Workshop Glamping Project. South Korea Arche Workshop has designed a glamorous camping unit that consists of a collection of tents. By combining the ideals of sustainability, luxury, and cutting-edge design, Glamping for Glampers helps visitors get closer to nature in 2 very different ways. The first, termed Stacking Donut, is meant to evoke spherical shape of pebble stones, while the second, Modular Flow, is meant to be an adaptable structure that has stacked floor layouts. Both types of housing are adaptable. mobile and comfortable. Each tent's interior is outfitted with a private bathroom area decorated with artwork. When the day is done, the couches can be folded out into beds thanks to the custom furniture made by Archie Workshop. The double-skinned exterior of the shelters and the inner water and fire-resistant membrane protects occupants from the region's extreme weather conditions. Number 12. Igloo Trailmate Cooler. The all-terrain cooler means the celebration can be taken wherever you go. With its 10-inch wheels and telescopic handle, this model is simple to move through hard terrain, soft sand, and grass. The cooler can hold around 112 cans of drinks and weighs around 35 pounds. Its capacity is 18.5 gallons. It has a storage pocket, a water-resistant section for electronics, a removable tray, and space for 4 cups, 2 bottles, and 2 umbrella holders. The cooler's ice will stay frozen for up to 4 days thanks to the thermocool foam and cool riser technology. These are just some of the incredible new camping gadgets and technology available that can make your experience more comfortable and convenient. With the help of these new innovations, there's no reason you shouldn't enjoy extended stays in the great outdoors. I hope you found this video to be entertaining. Again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching all the latest technological developments right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.